Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the latest iOS 26, which is launched on iPhone. So basically iPhone has launched the iOS new iOS 26, and it includes many features. So we are going to discuss the important features of the iOS 26 and talk about them in detail. So if you have installed the latest iOS 26, then well and good. But if you haven't installed the latest iOS 26, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to general, and here you have to simply click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS 26 on your iPhone. So if you haven't installed, then you have to simply uh, update the iOS 26. And if you are facing any kind of issues, then you can also watch our video related to iOS 26 download problem. So basically, iPhone iOS 26 has included many features. So one of the feature is which is talked about more is the liquid glass feature, which means iPhone has included the liquid glass features. So which is the prominent feature. So you can simply see that all the UI has been changed in due to liquid glass options. So here you can also see the liquid glass features in settings, icons, and also in many options available. Here you can simply see that liquid glass option is changed. So you can also see the control center it is changed according to liquid glass option. So the first thing we are going to talk about is the phone app. As you can see, it has been changed in many things in phone app. So here you can simply change the settings. So one of the feature is that you can simply check that you can simply change the name, photo, and all the customization. You can set the poster, avatar customization. You can do that. Moreover, if you want to do not want to use the new version of the phone app, you can also switch between the classic and unified, the latest iOS 26 options interface phone app. Moreover, there is also option available that you can simply select manage filtering. Moreover, the options are available in bottom part of the iPhone. Now you can simply access the search bar, keypad, and contacts on below option, so you do not have to move your fingers on above on the top, so that you can simply access. So the main feature is a manage filtering options here. So here you can simply see that the options are available as manage filtering. So if you click on that manage filtering option, so it will include many of the features. So one of the feature is you can simply block unknown calls, like here is option available, call filtering. You can simply turn it on. Missed call and voice call from unknown numbers will be silent and move to the unknown callers list. So if you turn this on, then all the filters will be applied, and all the calls you receive from unknown number and calls will have a separate list. Though, so the second option is as that you can simply check for the clock size. As you can simply move your icon here, you can simply see that the clock size has been changed, and it can change according to the liquid glass option. So here you can simply see that. Moreover, you can also check the size of the clock, and moreover, you can also check the control center has been totally changed. The control center has been totally transparent, but it will be changed soon according to the liquid glass option. So the main options are the customization in your home screen, which means you can simply change your screen according to the liquid glass, which means if you select clear, as you can see, it will be changed to liquid glass option. All the icons are changed like liquid glass icon. So you can also change it. Moreover, you can also change it to another settings, like you can customize according to your design. You can simply change it to the liquid glass option, and moreover, the options are available that you can change it here from, and after that you can simply use it as, and moreover, you can options are available that you can change it. So the second option is as that the camera setting has been totally changed, and all the settings are available now on the bottom part. Previously it was available on the upper part, so you can simply access them. And also there is also liquid glass options available. Moreover, the settings are available here, you can simply access them from here. So all this camera setting also has been changed. And moreover, you can also see the Safari browser settings. Here are options available that you can simply check, that you can simply go back and see the Safari settings has been totally changed. Moreover, you can also see all tabs, control at all tabs from here. You can also change the settings and also access the extension for Safari. So there was the option missing. Moreover, if you take the screenshot of the any website, then can also circle that screenshot and search the specific part of that screenshot. So these are some features which have discussed. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.